Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have waffle pizza.
Say it again, because they probably didn't hear what you said.
I figured.
Say it again, please.
Waffle pizza.
Yes, waffle pizza. What we got? What kind of pizza we got?
So on my pizza, I have a meat lover's waffle pizza.
Yes.
It has pepperoni, ham, and bacon.
Yeah, tell them what I got now.
And then on Richie's pizza, he has cheese. Oh, and I have cheese also, duh. And he has cheese, and then he has some taco chicken. The taco chicken meat that we made yesterday for our tacos, our ground chicken taco.
We did not waste it. You know I gotta taste it. All right.
And then he has some turkey pepperoni on the other pizza.
Turkey pepperoni. You heard what she said? Turkey. First they do never give me pork. So don't
No
say Richie,
pork.
why you eating pork? It's turkey, okay?
That's turkey.
They make turkey, what you call it, pepperoni too.
And then I have some ranch dressing, and Richie have some blue cheese dressing, and we're just gonna eat and dip and eat and dip. And guys, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today, but I'll have one for you tomorrow.
Come on, you talk too much on me. You get enjoy this beautifulness. But family, look at this though. Come on, this is different.
Different.
First, let me get them look at this. Yeah, it's waffle. Listen, I'm not gonna pick it all up because
let me hook you up because we don't want you to drop it, Mike. Because you're gonna drop it.
Cut me up, son.
It's already basically cut.
You want tissue?
Sorry.
Cut me up, B.
You just have to just
There we go. Cut and go.
turn it.
Here you go. I want to turn it and give me a slice of money. A slice of taco in my youth.
So that's it.
Wow, that
You
looks
slice yours on
that
this
looks so
side.
delicious. Family, stop. Wait. You don't see nothing yet? Slice him up, First Lady.
Let's slice it. Come on.
Slice him up, man.
Come on.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, it's alright. I'll get to it. Don't worry.
No,
I'll
it's
get to it.
hot.
Don't worry. Be
I
careful.
sliced up mine's last since mine have pork.
Okay. Yes.
You see?
That's right. Mine's first. Here we go. Take a bite. They can't see. I want you to see that thing. I want you to see that good thing.
The good thing about this waffle is that what I used, it already has it's already basically pre-sliced or pre-cut. You just finish it off.
Wow.
Okay. Come on. Woo!
Move on to the fourth side.
Please.
Family. First they done did it again.
Put some ranch.
Gotta put some grace.
Wow.
You know the grace gotta be grace. I'm eating meat, so yes, family, I'm putting grace on it because it got meat, so I gotta put grace. Okay?
Sorry.
Alright.
I didn't want it to spill.
Let me get a dips. This is delicious. Give me a thumbnail.
Oh. Thumbnail. Oh, something like what? Oh, I think.
No, it's a thumbnail.
Give me a kiss. Oh, you gotta try use it next time.
It is? Don't mind me things. Yes.
You know why you get pizza?
You gonna say, right? You gonna say, I'm gonna say, what's this? And you gonna say, blah, 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 blah.
Huh?
I'm gonna say, hey, Bobo, what's this? And you gonna say, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like thumbnail.
Family. Put it up in here. What, this right here? This is awesome.
You guys wanna know where I saw this?
They action. I know they were art.
I saw this on in Korea. This is what they eat for street food. You know how in Jamaica we have that jerk chicken on the side, crabs on the side. This is their street food in Korea.
Wow.
That's what I saw.
Bring it to y'all. Yes.
When I saw it, I was like, oh no, I have to make it. And it's so simple.
Wow.
Anybody try this? Y'all better tag me. I saw it in the greedy couple first.
Exactly.
That's right.
That's right. They're gonna tell you. They ain't gonna do that. They know this, right?
This is really good.
Here, take one more bite with me. First, you put it right there. I don't think they got the first. They're good. You can see it.
Yeah, you hold for 1 minute. Okay.
Right there. Yum.
Very, very simple.
You done it again.
You can even make this. Excuse me. You can even make this savory by using the same pizza waffle. And you can make it a cinnamon waffle, and then you can add like Nutella, bananas, marshmallows. Just delicious.
I like what you have right here.
Or you could even do, again, the same crust with cinnamon, sugar. And you put ice cream, banana, cherries, peanut, and make it a sundae. You gotta think outside the box, people.
And also you can make it the veggie way too.
A veggie way. All day.
All day. This is good. I ain't gonna lie.
Which topping you like better? The turkey pepperoni or the leftover what do you call it?
Chicken, ground chicken.
Ground chicken taco.
Doesn't matter. I love the both.
Now the crust is thick. And you guys know I love thin crust, but it's not heavy. It's like a light. I know it seems like it's heavy, but it's not. It's very, very light. Very, very light. It's, it's thick, but it's airy. So you don't feel like you're eating a whole pile of like dough. You understand?
Family. I know first it be nosy. Anytime first lady be nosy, she always come up with a blueprint. Yes, it got sauce on it too. Yes, it does.
Pizza sauce. Pizza.
It's a pizza waffle. We're just free. Nice. Nice, man.
Excuse me.
She did real good.
Oh, thank you.
They asked Richie how does it taste, because they see me, because they want to ask them.
It's the pork for me.
For you. They asked me, so I just let them know.
So good.
I ain't capping, son. That joint banging, B. That joint lit.
I love pork.
Stay with your pork, but I don't want any food today.
I love it. Love pork.
So family, if you do try this, let us know.
Yeah.
I know one day I'm gonna try it. Somebody gonna try it. Wow. Some stuff that people eat.
So if we ever go to Korea,
I'm a regular.
we're regular.
I'm a regular now. I'm a regular. Right up for Korea. What kind of cheese? What kind of thing you have? You dip your thing on my thing. You can dip your pork thing on my thing, my youth. You can't dip your pork thing on my thing.
I love pork in there. I've dipped the crust.
Oh. People already think I'm eating pork here. You dipping your... See people that say you try me.
What? Richie, you don't yam pork, so don't know what you want about what people think. You yam pork?
Yam pork. Tama yam. Wow. I enjoyed it.
I'm to your aunt.
You know, actually, I bring 2 juice. I'm going to bring 2 juice.
Me too.
You want 1 juice? Which one you want?
Another thing there. I'll drink the water later.
I ain't got no pants, son.
So stupid. Them see ya? Them see ya?
No, you want water?
No, soda. I feel like I have a water here. I feel like belching. You guys? Yes, please. You guys see that? That's mine. Tell me that doesn't look good without telling me that doesn't look good. That's from TikTok. So good. You know I'm full already? I'm gonna lie, I'm full.
They ain't seen me. I'm sneaking back now. They ain't watching, right?
They're not looking. You can come.
No, alright, they're not watching. Can't even see me coming down with no pants, you know? Alright, they ain't catch me. Good.
Huh? You wash your tongue?
I wipe it off. You have straw. What do you mean when you wash it off? Even if I ain't wash it off, you have straw.
It doesn't matter.
Put your man on it.
It doesn't matter.
I'm gonna get to be a fart sometime, man, you. Alright, family, we're back.
You know that when you open this, it goes inside the drink,
No,
right?
I already wiped it off.
Alright. That's why you wipe it off, not because you have a straw. No, don't piss me off right now on the camera. I was born full of talk. I saw me grow up.
No,
my mother teach me to be full of talk, full of chat.
Full of talk, family. Alright, there's your passing your colors, huh? I sure show up a beat. You know what I put on this?
You don't like crust either. Even for the pizza.
I don't like crust on the pizza.
It's a mental thing.
Yeah, family, I don't like that.
But it's a mental thing because it's a waffle.
Yeah, it's a waffle.
The whole thing is a crust.
Well,
it's mental, that's all. That's weird.
Should I put a piece of RFC upon you?
Yo. Talking about RFC?
They don't want it. They don't want it.
I want RFC.
I didn't get too much. You want it, I know you don't, but I didn't get too much. I didn't get, what you call it thing? I didn't get too much.
I'm dancing to the RFC that's coming tomorrow. My hubby's gonna make RFC. You know I make RFC? I'm gonna want fried fish.
I'm not doing that.
I want RFC, I want fried fish.
Fish done. We have to go back on fish.
I want fried fish.
You know about the fish, family? I will sell some of our fish.
Who fish you sell?
I know I'm selling some of our fish.
Don't sell my fish. My fish gotta stay with me.
Make sure your fish stay with you. Yeah, because I know where you selling fish.
You just said you sold the fish.
Make sure your fish stay with you, yeah? So I'm telling you.
Oh, excuse me.
Family, take a last bite with me. There you go. Take a bite with me.
I'm full, family.
Yeah, and I can't help her today. You can help her. Everybody else, please.
I eat that. I said that's the last slice.
Whoa!
Stop! Don't piss me off, yo.
I knew it was gonna get you right now. Quarter, family. All right.
Uy, beer noise.
Family, First Lady, we all gonna be like a tree today. All right? So I want you to listen up carefully. I can't listen tongue. So we all like a tree today, okay, family? Yes, y'all, and me and First Lady also. All right. Stay grounded. Connect with your roots. Turn over a new leaf. Bend before you break. Enjoy your natural, unique beauty. Keep growing. tree. Sometimes I make my list tongue, I can't chat good.
Please.
Chat too much sometimes.
Sometimes.
Hope you enjoy that one.
All the time.
They hear that one?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that's where we are today, family.
I'm stuffed. I've been talking about this waffle pizza to Richie and to the kids for probably a week.
I feel so nice. I want to get in my next one. Yes,
What?
I get 2 for the price of 1. But no, it's not going to be an everyday thing now. Because since we didn't drop a fast food Friday, sorry, but I know I said it already in the last video, but I'm going to give you a next one, okay? Okay. Family. The foolish man seeks happiness in the distance. The wise grows it under his feet. That's it, family. I gave you a 2 for the price of 1. First lady's full, so you know what it is already. Let me eat my food.
I'm full, but this...
We shared with you.
Good man.
How is that talking my youth?
Oh my goodness. I just be burping like a crazy person. I'm sorry.
I don't know if nobody's know I was going to put on the video. But appreciate y'all coming. We appreciate every single one of y'all. All the new ones. All our day ones. So, if you're new, subscribe now. This is the time. You reach this far, might as well subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
For real.
Like, share, you know what I mean? Everything. We are the greedy couple. Yes, we are the greedy couple. First lady, Richie, a.k.a. Shanice. Alright? Go ahead, first lady. They are?
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.